In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can use Photoshop and ETI Image plugin to restore an old damaged image into a professional image like it was taken yesterday. So if you are ready, let's begin. A couple of months ago, I have created similar tutorial on this subject and a lot of people liked it. And the thing is that since then, AI models have changed and now we have more professional AI models and we can generate higher quality results. And that's why I wanted to do this test again and show you exactly all the steps that you need to take to convert an old damaged image into something professional in just a couple of clicks. So to begin with, there are a couple of tricks that we need to apply. First of all, it is important to increase the size of your image to something like 4K image. Now, it will not increase the resolution of your image, but because this will be the result that we will send to AI models, it has its own positive effects. The next trick is to come here under Image and select Auto-Tune. This will work on the tone of your image, improve it, and then we will send this result to the AI model and AI models will understand it much better. Another thing that I usually do is to come under Image, Adjustment, and Hue and Saturation. Here I'm gonna decrease the saturation to -100 so our image becomes completely black and white. Now I'm going to use ETI Image plugin. If you don't have this plugin, you can get it from the link down in the description. And when you get this plugin, it will come with a video tutorial. It will explain exactly how you can use this plugin, how you can install it. And for example, this plugin has two sections, Core, which here you can just write your prompt. If you have reference images, you can add, and you can select the AI model that you want. For example, Nano Banana Pro, Seedream 4.5, Nano Banana 2, and many other AI models are available here. Now, this is the Core tab. In the Pro tab, we have some advanced features that let us, by just a couple of clicks, restore our image. Here under Fast Actions, we have Nano Banana 2, Nano Banana Pro, and Flux. For example, under Nano Banana Pro, we have cracks, which if you click on it, when you send the request, the AI model will remove the cracks on your image. You can turn on Restore, Colorize, and Retouch. So when we are sending this image to the AI model, it will remove the cracks, it will restore the image, it will colorize it, and finally it will retouch it, of course, if it is a portrait. Under it, we have the setting for our AI model, like if you want your result to be 2K or 4K, or which AI provider you want to use. We have Replicate, Kie, and Google. Don't worry about them. When you get the plugin, you will learn more about all of these AI providers. For this tutorial, I'm going to use Kie because it is much cheaper and faster. The next thing you have to do is to come here, select the selection tool, and then make a selection around your image. That's it. Just click on Generate. Then it will send this image plus the requests that have been set here to the AI model. And this AI provider, this Kie provider, will process our request. And when the result is ready, it will place back the result here in our Photoshop. So I'm going to fast forward until the result is ready, and then we will continue from there. All right, it took like 2 to 3 minutes and the result is ready now. And if I zoom in, you can see the quality of the image we received done by Nano Banana Pro. And if I just turn it off to compare it with the first image, just look at what we had and what we got. It is so detailed and well created. One thing you should notice, well, the AI models tries to create the colors as best as it could to match to the reality based on the image we provided. Now, sometimes, for example, if you try the same request a couple of times, each time you may get different colors, okay? But mostly if you use Nano Banana Pro, mostly it will create all the details the exact same way. For example, if I zoom in, just look at this part of the cloth. You see, it's more or less exactly the same thing, but repaired. If I come here to the hair, if you pay attention, we have the same patterns of her hair in both images. So if you want to go one step further, if you are happy with this result, but you want it to be with higher quality, there's a strategy here that you can use. You can come here under image and select image size, and now decrease the image size to, for example, something like 800 pixel in height. So if I zoom in, now we have less details, but there is a cool AI model that we can use under ETI Image in the Pro tab. If we scroll down, we have a section here called Enhancements. The first row, it includes upscales, which it has clarity, crystal, topaz, and magnific. The best of them is crystal and also magnific. These two are the best. So right now we are going to try crystal. I'm just going to make a selection. Using crystal, you can upscale an image up to 200 megapixel. When you turn it on, if you scroll down, here you can see crystal upscale settings. If you click on it, a drop down will appear. And here we can select the scale factor. You want to increase it twice, 4 times, 6 times. And under it, you can see the result resolution, megapixel, and how much it would cost for you. For example, we can go on 10x, and this will be the resolution, and this will be the cost for us. I'm going to try it on 6x, so we get something like a 4K result. I have made my selection, and now I'm just going to click on generate. Again, I'm going to fast forward until the result is ready. Crystal is fast, and again, depending on the resulting resolution, because right now it's not too much. It's like 4K. It would generate it fast. So I think it would take less than a minute for the image to get ready. So I'm going to fast forward until the result is ready. The result is ready. It just took like 10 seconds after I fast forwarded. And now you can look at the quality. Just let me zoom in. You have all the details. Look at all the textures here on the skin. All the details in the eye. It's amazing, isn't it? So we just restored and converted an old image from this to this, which is amazing. What do you think? Please leave a comment and let me know how do you feel about the result till now. And if this is something that you would like to do, because all of us have some old images from our family, our relatives, our friends, and it's really good to bring those images back to life. And let me tell you, I'm not done yet. I'm going to show you a couple of more tricks and strategies that I'm sure you will love. So this is the image that we got right now. I'm going to come here to the core tab if I want to do one more step to improve this image. Maybe make it look like an image that was taken yesterday with better hairstyle, with better clothing. So I'm just going to turn off Seedream 4.5 and leave Nano Banana Pro on. Here there is a cool tool. When you write a prompt and you generate some images, you can see the history here. So I'm going to click on it, and here we have a prompt. Do not change position or posture, just restyle her hair and clothes to modern style and keep everything else exactly the same. So I'm just going to click on it to load the prompt here. Nano Banana Pro is selected. Again, I can scroll down to the setting. I can come here. I'm going to select Kie, 4K, match input, and the output format will be on PNG. I'm going to make a selection, same as previous times, and then click on generate. One good thing while this is generating, let me tell you about this plugin, is that while this is generating, you can send more requests. For example, right now you can turn off Nano Banana Pro, select Nano Banana 2, and check the settings. For example, Kie 4K, match input, and then send the request. Now it is processing Nano Banana Pro. It is also processing Nano Banana 2. I can do this over and over as much as I want. I can send hundreds of requests. So this way, especially if you are a person working on different images, we have lots of photographers in our users, or lots of people working on architecture. If you are a person who works with images a lot, this will speed up your process. You don't need to wait for the result to get ready. You can just send different requests to different AI models, and whenever the result is ready, it will just place it back in your file. So let's fast forward until both results are ready. All right, the results are ready. Nano Banana 2, this is the result of it. And this is the result of Nano Banana Pro. Now, as I said, every time that you send this kind of request based on the prompt that you write, for example, I could mention keep the same hair color as well, but itself, it is because I didn't mention it itself, it decided to change the hair color as well on Nano Banana Pro. But on Nano Banana 2, it didn't. Now, let me zoom in and compare the quality. This is Nano Banana Pro, and this is Nano Banana 2. Let me tell you one thing about Nano Banana 2. The quality of it, it's really good as well, but usually based on the experience that I have, Nano Banana Pro, sometimes it is more accurate comparing to Nano Banana 2. But in this case, actually the result of Nano Banana 2 is very good as well. So even to go further, we can use another prompt here, and that is, do not change the position or posture, just add blue light effect on the right side of the portrait, and add soft yellow backlight behind the character. Show only the light result, not the light source. We can use this prompt on, for example, let's say Nano Banana 2, Nano Banana Pro, and also I'm gonna try it with Seedream 4.5 so you can see the result. So I'm gonna turn all of them on. And of course you can, for example, if you want 2 results for Seedream 4.5, you can just click on this number and it will increase the results that you want to send. I'm just gonna make a selection. All of them are on. I'm gonna have a look at the settings to make sure everything is correct and it is on 4K. And that's it. I'm just gonna click on generate. Again, I'm gonna fast forward until the result of these requests are ready, and then we will continue. The results are ready, and let's have a look at them together. So here we have the 2 results for Seedream 4.5. This is the first one, and this is the second result. Now let me tell you one thing about Seedream 4.5. It's a very good AI model, but in quality and details, it may not be very precise. But when you want to do some effects like lighting or creating some images that requires imagination, Seedream 4.5 is perfect. Just look at the hair here, the yellow color that hits the hair. It's amazing. Same here on the left side. Now let's look at the results for Nano Banana 2, which is this one. It's really good as well. All the details are very good and clear. And also this is the result for Nano Banana Pro. This one is also really good, but I think Nano Banana 2 did a better job. Now let's compare this with the first image that we had. This is the first image. This is what we made out of it. What do you think about it? Write your opinion about this result in the comments. The old damaged version, the new version. Now, even if you want to go one step further and make something amazing out of it, make it even more alive than an image, we can come here. I'm just gonna show it to you what you can do with it. Let's crop it quickly because it had some extra parts. I'm just gonna export this. And then beside this ETI Image plugin, we have a software. It's an app which more or less does the same thing, but way more professional, way more advanced. And you can do even cool things with it. For example, this is the core tab. We have many different AI models. We have the Pro tab. It has those same features, but with a lot of other features, a lot of other tools, especially again, if you want to work on images and the speed and process is very important for you. This Rangy app, which again, I will put the link down in the description, will help you a lot. Now, what else we can do is that we can come here to videos, because this app not only works on images, but it also can work on videos. So here we have different AI models for video like Seedance 2, Kling 3, Grok Imagine, and 2.7. Grok Imagine is both good and also cheap. For example, if I want to generate a video like for 10 seconds, the resolution 720p, it will cost me 30 cents. All I have to do is to just come here on the reference images, click on this plus sign and add this new image, and then click on generate video. It will send the request to Kie platform, and here you can see how long it will take for the result to get ready. Usually based on the request that you send, it usually takes something from 1 minute to 3 minutes. So again, I'm going to fast forward until the result is ready. The result is ready. I forgot to mention that earlier I wrote a prompt here. She's smiling and laughing while looking at camera. Of course, a good feature that we have on this Rangy app is AI Studio, that you can come here, you have your prompt here. You can write what kind of prompt you want, and these AI models will write a better prompt for you. It's like using AI to write a better prompt so you can use it to generate better videos or images. So here is the result. You can just click on it and look at the result, and it looks really cool. Now you can work on the prompt and make changes based on what you want. Earlier, I was working on the same image and I also got this video, and this is also really cool. So this way, not only you're restoring an old image, but you're making it alive by converting it into a video. Let's look at this result again. So what do you think about this result? You can leave a comment below. If you are interested in this kind of videos, in this kind of tutorials, and you want me to make more of them for you, you can just like this video and leave a comment. This way I will understand you are interested, and I'm gonna make more tutorials and trainings. Again, if you don't have this ETI Image plugin, the link will be down in the description. Also, if you are interested in Rangy app, you can get it from the link down in the description as well. If you are not yet subscribed to our channel, click on subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss our upcoming trainings and tutorials on AI models. That would be all for this training. I hope you liked it, and I will see you soon on another one.